Hello students, I'm going to do lenses chapter with you, and the topic for today is rules to draw an image from a convex lens. Let's draw convex lens first. Although I had already drawn with you many times, but this time I'm going to use scale so that I can get accurate result. Now draw a line of 10 centimeter. Find the middle of this line, and the middle of this line is at 5 centimeter. 2 centimeter far from the center on both the sides, and then 2 centimeter up and 2 centimeter below the line. All right. This is optical center, the center of the convex lens. This point is focus. This point is also focus. And the line passing from the optical center is principal axis. Alright, now come back on our topic. Rules to draw an image from a convex lens. Now, these rules are actually based on three different types of rays. Number one is when a ray is parallel to the principal axis. What will happen after refraction from a convex lens? Let's see. A ray which is parallel to the principal axis after refraction from a convex lens will pass from this principal focus. Okay, again, a ray which is parallel to the principal axis. This arrowhead is showing the direction of the ray. A ray which is parallel to the principal axis after refraction from this convex lens will pass from this principal focus. The arrow is important on both the sides so that we can show the direction of the light rays. Okay, number two is when the light ray is passing from the principal focus. Okay, what will happen after refraction from a convex lens? It will become parallel to the principal axis. A ray which is passing from the principal focus after refraction from a convex lens will become parallel to the principal axis. Number three is a ray passing through the optical center of the lens goes straight without changing its direction. Okay, again, this is a ray. A ray passing from the optical center of the lens goes straight without changing its direction. I hope you are clear. See you in the next class. Bye. Take care.